is Nutanix in real time. We want to guarantee the successful registration of a Prism element into Prism Central. So how do we do that? Here I've already deployed a Prism Central VM, which you see running in the list here. The way that we ensure successful registration is to verify that the password you'll use to complete the registration process is in fact set on the Prism Central VM. In order to do that, we're going to go set the password ourselves. So I will SSH into the Prism Central VM. Using the Nutanix user ID. Please refer to the release notes for the default password for the Nutanix user ID on your Prism Central VM. Once we're here, we'll go ahead and set the password for the admin user on the Prism Central VM. Alright, and with that set, we're ready to go back to Prism Element and register to Prism Central. So let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and connect. And in just a few moments, we should notice that we are registered to Prism Central. You see the process just takes a few seconds, after which we can go ahead and launch our session with Prism Central. All right, and that's all it takes to guarantee a successful registration with Prism Central.